You just got back from a trip filled with beautiful imagery and shoots, and so you go plug in your GoPro's SD card into your computer, and now Mac or Windows tells you that that card needs to be formatted, or that the GoPro itself is throwing a no SD card error when you know that the SD card is sitting right there. Yeah, that's called SD card corruption, and it's one of the most common reasons that people run into while using a GoPro. So before you panic or format anything, please listen to this video, because I'm about to tell you how you diagnose your problem, fix it, and even recover files if you can't see them in that SD card. So let's get into the video. Quick context before fixing anything, because understanding the problem is key to preventing it from happening again. Now, the most common culprits for this to happen are actually very simple. It could be pulling out the card mid-transfer, having a cheap or incompatible card, the card itself reaching its writing cycle limit, or even just having a dirty card slot. Sometimes it's also just a one-time glitch from a firmware hiccup during recording. So none of these problems are permanent. They can all be fixed by using the following steps. Now, this is the first mistake people make, which is that the computer or camera tells you to format the SD card. So people, they just do it. But hey, listen to me, do not. At least not yet. First, try the SD card in a different card reader or even device, because most of the times people think it's all just about the SD card, but it's not. Sometimes it is the reader. So if another device reads that card fine, then perfect, you're done. Copy the files and then reformat the card cleanly. Now, if the card still shows up as unreadable or simply doesn't mount, then run a quick error check using Disk Utility. So let's open Disk Utility, select the SD card in the sidebar, then click First Aid at the top and let it scan. Now, this handles the lightweight corruption cases, like file system errors, bad sectors that haven't gone too deep. So a lot of the times, this is all you need. If First Aid ran but your footage is still missing or unreadable, here is the rule that you should follow, which is recover first and fix later. Reformatting the card wipes the file allocation table and makes recovery significantly harder. So before you touch the card, we truly recommend that you use a recovery tool to pull off the footage, and then you can proceed with the formatting fix. And this is where Wondershare Recoverit comes in, because it's built specifically for camera data recovery, including DJI drones or gimbal footage, which means that it handles the MP4 and MOV files that your GoPro shoots on, even from a card that's showing as raw or corrupted. Plug in the card, select it in Recoverit, and run the scan. It will go through the raw sectors of the card, even if the file system is broken. You can preview video clips before you even recover, so you're not flying blindly. Now, once your footage is safely copied to your computer, then you deal with the card. Now that your data is finally safe, you have now two options. If the card is under 2 years old and this is the first time it happened, then proceed with a full format, not a quick one. And then also test it with a few dummy recordings before trusting it again. We wouldn't recommend you going straight into a client's wedding recording straight after this happens, because yeah, you may be surprised at the end of the shoot. If the card keeps corrupting or it's been through a lot of recording cycles, then we truly recommend to just replace it. For a GoPro, you definitely want a card rated at least UHS-I Speed Class 3, V30 or above. Now, SanDisk Extreme and Samsung Pro Endurance are solid picks here. They can easily handle continuous 4K write loads. So here is the very simple quick version. You've got an SD card from a GoPro that got corrupted? Okay, do not format it. First, let's try a different card reader. Then if that doesn't work out, let's run First Aid. If the files are still missing, then let's use the recovery software to get all those files back, and only after you can replace or format that SD card. If this video helped you save your footage, then please give it a like and also subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials just like this one. Also, if you have any other GoPro issues, then please leave them in the comments down below. We love reading through them and respond as soon as possible. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.